Dear friends, knitting enthusiasts, and craft connoisseurs, in a world where the art of crochet is reimagined through the prism of artificial intelligence, knitting has always been magical for me. It's not just a way to create items, it's a form of meditation, an opportunity to pause and forget the hustle and bustle, immersing myself in the rhythmic whisper of needles and hooks. Each knot, each stitch is filled with warmth and care. My passion for knitting bags and backpacks allows me to give you not just comfort, but a piece of my soul. Embroidery gives each product a unique character, as if a muse has touched it, breathing life into ordinary materials. But now, technology has advanced, and new horizons of creativity have opened up before me. Artificial intelligence has provided the tools to create truly unique works of art. Now I can experiment with colors and patterns, creating unprecedented designs, and model three-dimensional elements that give each bag a special charm. It helps me not just follow trends, but influence them, offering designs that combine my vision of beauty with what is currently in vogue. This opens up endless possibilities for creativity, allowing me to implement the boldest ideas. Today, knitting is not just a hobby, it's a symbiosis of ancient techniques and modern technologies that allows me to constantly grow and explore new horizons in handicraft. I invite you to be inspired and join me on this fascinating journey through the world of creativity. Thank you for your attention. Create, imagine, and let each stitch be filled with joy and inspiration.